I've got a lot of questions coming in from people, and also some frustrations are pouring in saying they're unable to log into the NIS portal. I've made my research and I've realized there's been an upgrade in the app, and I think that's the reason why a lot of people are struggling. Stay with me. I found a way you're going to be able to navigate this. Okay, so we're going to go to the NIS website, and from there I'll show you how you're able to log in. That's for those that have created the profile. Okay, so if you've created a profile in the portal, that's fine, and you're unable to log in because people are saying it will just take you directly to asking you for the biometrics or applicants photos, but that's not what they want. You need to register before you get to that point. The first thing to do is to go to your Google and type in NIS website. Then you click on NIS website, you see Nigeria Immigration Service, you click on that, then it will bring you into the website. Then you now scroll down, so everything passport, that's what we're looking for. Okay, so click on everything passport, click on this arrow, it will now bring you here. So from here you see important notice, this is the passport application portal for applicants applying from within Nigeria. If you are applying from within Nigeria, click on the continue button. Then if you are to apply from outside Nigeria, click on apply from outside Nigeria. Please make sure you follow the instructions accordingly. Don't be in a haste while applying this so you don't make mistake, as I've seen that their customer service takes quite a lot before they pick up their call. So please try as much as possible to do your due diligence and apply this calmly as you can. So we're going to click on apply from outside Nigeria, and it will take us to this next page, which is this. So from here you can see the options these services are showing us. For if you want to apply for fresh passport, which is usually for the kids, you apply for fresh passports. Then if you want to apply for renewal, which most people are having issue with, you're going to click here. So that's what we're going to click on. Okay, so we're going to now click on the renewal and bring you to this part. It was previously showing like this in the app, but I don't know if the new update has affected some changes. We'll now log in from here. So the username and email you created, from the creating of profile, you now input them here. Make sure that the correct one. So I'm going to input my email and password. So after inputting my password, then I'll now click on sign in. Now bring me to this stage, which is normally the first stage when you want to apply for your renewal. So this is the part whereby you now put in your NIN, date of birth, then verify. Once you're able to verify this stage, it now takes you to the next part where you're going to fill in your documents. So let's do it together. So we'll now I'm just going to put my NIN, although I've done this before. It's just for people to understand what I mean. So you put your date of birth, which I'm going to put, I've put now. Then I'm going to click on verify. So once it's verified, it will bring out this part that will show you your name, your details really, and to now tell you this is being retrieved from your NIN record and cannot be edited. So if you want to work on anything your NIN, you come to me to help you. So if you're having issue with your change of name, change of date of birth, or you want a new NIN, then you have to come. So I'll help you sort it, because whatever name that is on your NIN is what will be used for your passport. So as you can see, my details are here. Then place of everything, all my details are here. So I'll now click on confirm and continue. So once you click confirm and continue, it will now bring you to what's the current passport number, the one you had before. So I'm not really going to go into details because I have done this before. Okay, it's just to show you that the website will make life easier for you. Okay, so you now put the current passport number with the one that is yet to expire or the one that has expired. You now put it. You make sure the date of birth in the passport corresponds. You verify. And after doing all this part, it's definitely going to take you to the part where you're going to upload all the documents that are necessary, then get to payment. For those doing 5 years or 10 years, they've got different payments. Make sure you read and fill in correctly so that you don't go about chasing these guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to stop here. I'm just doing this video for you to see that you can still do this, not from the portal but from the website. Thank you very much for watching. Do like and share. Also remember to subscribe. If you have a question, just like also always, just drop me your questions and I'll answer. If it requires me doing a video for you, I'll still do it for you. Okay, thank you very much. Stay blessed. Bye. And I hope this helps you navigate this phase and also be able to get your passport renewed as soon as possible.